Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the passenger mode in the NaviBridge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the left. And then at the settings section, click on the settings button. And then at the nav unit configuration section, look for the passenger mode button. And it allows the passenger to operate the app on behalf of the driver. So if you want to enable this function, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turned green, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.